Welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about becoming an AI engineer in 2025, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started with AI. So grab a notebook and let's dive right in. Let's start with the basics. Generative AI is all about models that generate responses based on the data they're trained on. If you're new to this, the best way to learn is by exploring tools like ChatGPT and Google AI to see how AI works in real life. Hands-on practice is key.
Hey everyone, if you want to become an AI engineer in 2025 and you want our written AI roadmap that goes into way more detail for free, all you need to do is click the link in the description, enter your email, and it's yours. Don't miss out and get ahead during the AI boom.
You want to try out free or beginner-friendly tools, read blogs, and watch tutorials to really get a feel for how AI thinks and responds. The way AI processes data is unique, so understanding its logic is essential before you dive deeper into more advanced topics. Another important aspect to explore early on is AI APIs, such as OpenAI's API, Anthropic's Claude, and Google AI Studio. These APIs allow you to integrate AI in your own projects, providing you access to powerful models with just a few lines of code. Understanding how to work with these APIs can open up a world of possibilities for building your own AI-powered applications. And once you grasp the basics, the next step is learning how to communicate with AI effectively, which is usually known as prompt engineering. Writing clear and straightforward instructions is crucial, and you want to experiment with different ways to phrase your questions and see how the AI responds. Some prompts work better when they're structured, while others need a more open-ended approach. Observing how professionals in AI craft their prompts can give you valuable insights. And remember, it's all about experimenting and refining your approach over time to fit your own use case. AI becomes even more useful when you provide it with the right context. So if you start adding extra information, it helps it generate more accurate and relevant responses. For example, try giving AI more details and observe how it improves the results. Real-world examples are a great way to test how context impacts the output. Many businesses use this approach to personalize their services and make AI more effective in their workflows. And after you get comfortable with prompts and context, it's time to start building your own AI-powered tools. You want to think of AI as your assistant, helping with tasks like answering emails, organizing data, or even managing schedules. The great thing is you don't even need to be a coding expert. There's plenty of beginner-friendly platforms and no-code tools available to get started. And you can begin with small projects, like creating a simple chatbot or a productivity tool, and gradually work your way up to more complex applications, the better your skills get. Now let's talk about AI agents. You might have heard about these before. These are a bit more complicated, and they're programs that can work independently, solve problems, and even collaborate with other agents to complete tasks. They work best when they have clear roles and objectives, and some frameworks make it super easy, like CrewAI, to build and deploy them without needing deep technical knowledge. You can try creating small projects using AI agents and observe how they can streamline your workflows and improve efficiency, a step above typical AI chatbots or other tools. And once your AI projects are up and running, it's really important you actually track their performance. You want to pay attention to the accuracy of responses and continuously fine-tune based on feedback. AI is constantly evolving, so staying updated with the latest trends and improvements is crucial. And engaging with AI communities, just like our YouTube channel, can help you learn from others and keep your skills sharp. And that's your beginner roadmap to becoming an AI engineer in 2025. Obviously, it can get a lot more complicated, but this is a good, friendly intro to it. And you want to start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more AI tips. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.